Hey guys, it's Paul here with Trade Binary Options with Success and Binary Options Peak. Coming to you guys with a new Binary Options Trading Tips video. Today we're on episode 6 and we're going to be talking about trading hours. First things first, when are the Forex markets open? Now, I'm going to include a link in the description, and you guys have seen this before, and it's the Forex Market Time Converter. This will allow you to convert the time when the markets are open into your time zone, make it easier for you guys to know when the markets are open. A common question I'm asked is, when should I be trading? Now, this is very important. The time that you trade depends on what kind of trading you are doing. Are you wanting to trade long-term trends, short-term trends, reversals, or any other trading strategy or system? Now, long-term trades are great for opening times of markets because this is commonly where trading markets appear. Short-term trends and reversals are great for ranging markets because ranging markets is when the market is basically staying in a range and bouncing off support and resistance lines. As you can see, I drew some pictures below where you're able to see what a trending market looks like. This can be either up or down, and a ranging market. Another common question asked is when you should not be trading. You should not be trading when there's little market volume or when the market has a lot of volume. It's easiest to make market predictions when there's a medium market volume and during a ranging market. Also, you should not be trading before and after news releases. News releases affect the market and can throw off your trading because it makes the market unpredictable. We profit from making predictions from the market, so when the market is unpredictable, don't trade. Save your money, guys. Now, time frames to avoid is the New York closing to the Sydney opening, which is about 2 hours, and the Sydney closing to London opening, about 2 hours. So those two breaks you should not be trading. Now, to see when these news releases occur, you can go to forexfactory.com where you're able to see the date, the time that they're released, which is in Eastern Standard Time, the currency that they are affecting, and the impact. Note that yellow means low, orange is medium, and red is high. For the low impact, I would stop trading 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. If it's orange and red, I would stop 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after. The first type of market volume we're going to be talking about is low market volume. This is usually when no markets are opening, or when there's only one market opening. Now, you should avoid the market when it looks like this, when it's basically going nowhere, just teeny little movements back and forth. It's basically going in a straight line. A great time to trade is when there's medium market volume. This is the easiest way to make market predictions. Another type of volume that you should avoid trading is high market volume. This is where there's huge pit movements. It's very choppy. It's up and down in large movements. You should avoid this. It's very hard to make predictions. Now, when discussing the high volume hours versus the low volume hours, you want to be trading during the high volume hours. Now, that doesn't mean you're trading the high market volume as when the chart looks like the one I previously shown, but you get those nice medium market volume during the high volume hours. Now, the first high volume hours is the London and New York overlap, and that accounts for more than a third of the total Forex trading volume, which means this overlap has a lot of volume. The next overlap that has the second most trading volume is the Sydney and Tokyo overlap, which is also known as the Asian session. It's also a great time to be trading. Now, low volume hours is when there's not a lot of people buying or selling the currencies. You want to avoid this because the market is basically going in a straight line and has very little movement. Now, if you can recall what the low volume market picture I previously shown, you definitely want to avoid that. That's it for today's episode, and I hope that helped you guys when identifying good times to trade and bad times to trade, and also informing you guys on the trading hours. I'm going to be tweeting some of my trades, which is going to be something new, and especially for the after weekend market opening strategy for beginners that are still learning how to implement this strategy. So make sure to follow me on Twitter. Link is in the description below, or you can follow me here. There are a few new articles that can really help you guys with your trading skills on binaryoptionspeak.com. You can find all the links to these new articles in the description. I'd definitely recommend reading all of them. Me and Jack are definitely working hard to help you guys become better binary options traders. Also, don't forget to check out my latest videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this one today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.